Hi, my name is Dennis Jin, registration number UR14CS319, and I am here to explain the first experiment of Database Systems Lab. Okay, so let's get started. Our aim here is to develop the scheme for a given furniture company using the given data definition language. And moving on to our questions. Our first question would be to create the table customer with the primary queries. So this is the syntax for making our customer table. The syntax is as follows: create table, followed by the table name, and following that we write all our primary queries. The first attribute being customer ID. It is followed by the variable character 2 and in parentheses 10. This basically allots space for our characters, and basically what variable character 2 does is that it removes whatever unnecessary spaces is allocated. So the same goes for all the other attributes, namely naming customer name, customer underscore address, the city, state, and postal code. Notice that for postal code we give our data type as number. Yeah, so that would yield an output of this. Notice how all our attributes are listed in order, followed by the null and type. Uh, the customer ID is displayed as not null because we have given our primary key as the customer ID. Secondly, we are told to create all the other tables, namely the table ord, order line, product and suppliers. This follows the same syntax as before described. So yeah, that's the output of our create tables. Again, it follows the same syntax as the first question. Okay, moving on to the third question. We are told to add a foreign key reference to the customer ID attribute. The syntax is as follows: alter table, the table name, followed by add foreign key, customer ID, references customer ID. So yeah, what that basically does is it tells customer underscore ID to be refer to the foreign key, and yeah, that's basically the syntax for it. Question number 4: modify the attribute product finish in the product table to product material. So basically we're changing the attribute name from product finish to product material, and the syntax is alter table products, alter the table, uh, the product name, which is products, and from the table products we're renaming product finish to product material. So this is our um, syntax, and upon entering that syntax we get table altered. Yeah. Question 5: we are told to add an attribute called price in our order line table. So if we wanted to basically add another attribute after we have already created a table, then this is what we do. We give alter table, table name, followed by add, um, and the given attribute. So for example, we have given price number, uh, price, and following that we have given the data type, followed by how many spaces it should be, of how many spaces it should hold. Moving on to, okay, that's the output. We get a small statement saying that the table has been altered. And moving on to question number 6. We are told to add a check constraint to ordered underscore quantity column and check the quantity is above 5. So basically what this does is um, it acts as a constraint, and um, it only allows of those quantities in the quantity column that is above 5 to be listed or selected. And the syntax is alter table, the table name, followed by add constraint, and give the name of the constraint. We have given AR, for example, and what the check should be. So for example, we have given here as check parentheses ordered underscore quantity is greater than 5.